Why did you decide to learn this English language?
English language is more important other than Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam.
Knowledge and skills.
ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ ಮಗುವಿಂದಾನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು.
When everybody around you speaks in Kannada language,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you manage this?
I create my own environment. The main thing, make self videos. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
One tip for learners in Dharwad. Yes. What stops you speaking in English? People laugh. How will you still speak? Let's meet our one of the interesting and one of the wonderful students today. So I would like to welcome you, Miss Pavitra Madam. So could you please briefly tell us about yourself?
First of all, I thank you, sir, because the first time doing the podcast, you are interviewer, I'm interviewing. This is my first podcast. Thank you for so much giving me this opportunity. My name is Pavitra. I'm from Bangalore. I'm staying Dharwad since 10 years, and I completed my MCom in IGNOU. And now I'm focusing on communicating with others, speaking English language. Skills are more important. That's why I focusing on to communicate with others, and I enjoying this journey.
Okay. Before I begin to ask you any question, I would like to know, why did you decide to learn this English language?
English language is more important other than Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam.
What made you believe that English is more important than other
Because
languages?
many industries like companies, whenever universities, they spoke in English only, and it's give more confident to speak. That's why English is more important other than other languages.
Other languages. May I know what all the languages that currently do you speak?
I speak now Telugu and Kannada, and now I am trying to speak in English also. I know Tamil also little bit.
How many around?
Around 4 languages.
4 languages, including English. Including English.
Yes.
That's very nice. And now, for how long have you been trying to learn English language and improve your soft skills?
See, sir, actually my background is they are uneducated people. My father, mother are not illiterate, uneducated. They don't know anything. But in that situation, I am the one person are trying to learning more, and I completed degree. In my family, I am the one person completed master degree. I thought that education important, but other than that, communication is also important. That's why I'm focusing on this.
I want to understand the difference between education and the skills. I mean to ask knowledge and skills.
ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ ಮಗುವಿಂದಾನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಒಂದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋದು.
ನೀವು 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು.
If you are interested, you participate. If you are not interested, nobody will ask you. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what yesterday even I had spoken about.
Yes,
this. We should shift our education system from marks based education to skills based education.
ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಗಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, 90 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
The demand of education and the demand of this industrial sector, both are actually very different. In education, only marks are calculated, but in industrial sector, what is calculated is skills.
Yes, sir.
And one basic difference that I would like to tell, what I believe in, most of the times in our school days, in our degree and in our educational career, nobody has taught us regarding interview and all. And immediately after completing our degree, industries really ask us to come for the interview. When we give interview, when we get selected, we are given the opportunity. But about interview, we were never taught. And that's the very interesting fact.
Even when we go to interview, they won't ask in what is in the books. They ask about only skills, what you know.
Yes. And now I would like to ask an interesting question. As a Kannada medium student from Dharwad, can you please explain your journey of learning in English? What all the challenges that you faced at the beginning stage?
When I enter into college level, it is very difficult because I'm from Kannada medium. And after that, all the subjects are in English. And I know the writing and even reading. But when I want to speak someone, it is very difficult. And someone asked me to go on seminar. I sat in ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದು ದಟ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ. Now I am getting very confident. I spoke very well in.
You are making yourself ready for the future.
Yes, sir.
And you will make some noise.
One day I will make a noise.
When everybody around you speaks in Kannada language,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you manage this?
I create my own environment. Sir. First, I did writing, one page daily, and first the main thing, make self videos. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 minutes ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್
ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಓದ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಭ, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್? ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್?
ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಾಮೂಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು 2 minutes ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ನೀವೇನ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And that you have to watch that video at least 10 to 20 times. You will improve your English. ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೇಗ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜೆಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ, everything can be noticed and later on it can also be improved.
Yes, sir.
Right. And do you make self recordings regularly?
Yes, sir.
By now, how many videos, self recordings that you have made?
Maybe I think 20 to 30 videos I make. I
20 to 30. Did you feel improvements?
Yes, sir. Starting, I took time for 3 hours to make a 1 minute video. But I improved. Now I make a video at least 10 minutes without any scripted.
At the initial stage, you took 3 hours to make 2 minutes video.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, really? That's amazing. I would like to ask you, can you please tell me a situation where you felt shy and nervous to speak in English language, and how did you handle that?
In initial stage, I was very nervous because I feel that someone judging me and laugh at me. And now, after joining communication skills, I started that a little bit better. And whenever I went on stage, I feel very shy. I stopped talking with, and even I did make eye contact also. That I have fear on that time. Now I am okay for that. And
You
all.
are improving now.
Yes, yes,
You can speak on stage.
yes, sir.
You don't feel hesitation so much than that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those days you had so much hesitation and fear, and these days even every human being has that, but little bit you have improved it.
Yes, sir.
Right. And here I would like to move to the fourth question of mine. What are the common mistakes that Kannada medium students make while learning English language, and how they can improve them?
First, they stop converting Kannada to English,
They should stop translating.
translating,
Hmm.
and they feel shy.
Hmm.
They back forward and they don't want to talk.
Hmm.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Hmm. Hmm.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್
Hmm.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್,
Hmm.
ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
Hmm. Hmm.
ಆ ಭಯನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು
Hmm.
ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Hmm.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು,
Hmm.
ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Hmm. Hmm.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್.
They should not bother about making mistakes. Okay. And apart from that,
Think in English.
what logical mistakes that they make?
Mainly translating, sir. They think only in Kannada.
Hmm.
They don't think. And even ನಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್,
Hmm.
ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎದುರ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ.
Wow. That's true. That's true. Because everybody wants to be very perfect, and perfection doesn't come automatically. Perfection comes from practice, and nobody is perfect. Only God is perfect. So we should not bother about whether I am doing it perfectly or not. But we should be very aware if I am doing it or not only. The actions must be taken. Without taking action, no perfection will also come. It is not something that will come and knock your door that I'll come. No, we must take action. And that's what every Kannada medium student does that. Even if they belong to rural background, even if they belong to Kannada medium schooling and all, anybody can learn English language. It's not big deal. And most of the students, they don't learn it, feeling that it's difficult.
Yes, sir.
But could you please tell me, is it really difficult to learn English language?
Actually, it is fun to learn, sir. Yeah, it's true, sir.
Wow, super.
Because we know our mother tongue Kannada and Telugu we speak.
Hmm.
ಬಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಫನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Wow. Hmm. And easy ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Hmm.
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಒಂಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ,
Hmm.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Last but not the least, I would like to ask you the very interesting question that I was eagerly looking forward to ask you this question. Can you please explain briefly about the journey of your learning English language with Skill Motive Institute?
When I am entering into the class, I mean this cabin where receptionist sitting on, what I thought, I just want to learn English grammar. That's it. But Skill Motive make me that confident, and also they make to stand on stage and ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್, ಟೀಚಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 3 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 3 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಆಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Super. And
ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಅದೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲ್ಸೋದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಿ ಟು ದಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಸರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ 3 ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಅವತ್ ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಬಾಳ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್. I started own way
expressing your own experiences. Yeah,
that
that's
makes
great. Okay, now all right, let's move forward to very interesting questions that I have brought, rapid fire questions. So let me ask you 5 rapid fire questions. Answer me in word or in simple sentence.
Okay, sir.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here is my first question. One tip for learners in Dharwad.
Practice more.
Second
Practice
question.
daily.
Yes. What stops you speaking in English?
Judgment. Fear of judgment.
Third question. Kannada or English? Which do you enjoy speaking?
English more enjoyment. Kannada is comfortable.
People laugh. How will you still speak?
I won't bother
Okay.
what they think.
Wrong English or no English?
Wrong English better than no English.
Superb. Thank you so much for being on this podcast today. I really felt happy because I did this podcast with one of the students who was very low confident and who did not know, and today they are doing this podcast with me in English language. So really it's a very interesting thing and that made me happy. Thank you so much for being on this podcast. Take care.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.